talk about Neurodyn Portable by Ibramed, and I brought my friend Anna.
Hi.
She's going to help us with the unboxing, and later we're going to show you how to use it. So let's start the video now. This is the Neurodyn Portable. The manual comes in a CD, and the PDF manual will also be sent to you by email. It comes with 4 conductive electrodes, 2 electrostimulation cables, one orange and one black, a power cable, and it can also be used with this model of battery. Very easy, right? And this is the Neurodyn Portable. Now, let's show you how to handle your device. We connect the cable to the therapy channel of your choice, TENS or FES. We'll connect the cables to 2 electrodes. After that, we'll put the conductive gel. Remember that the Neurodyn Portable can be used with self-adhesive electrode as well. Applying the desired location, we put a tape just to prevent it falling at the time of the therapy. Now, we'll turn on the device. As our patient complained of pain, we'll select the TENS current. Let's now select the parameters like pulse, frequency, and therapy time. We'll increase and decrease the intensity after choosing the parameters. Programming is easy and the manual will help you. The intensity will depend on the patient's sensitivity. We'll increase the current as long as it's comfortable for the patient. See how simple it is? Neurodyn is small, easy to handle, and perfect for your attendances. For sure, you'll love this device. And here are other reasons why Neurodyn Portable is a great option for you. It's FDA cleared, 18 months warranty, and free shipping. We hope you enjoyed our video about Neurodyn Portable. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate calling us. I'll leave in the description here the link and the coupon code for you to use and get 10% off discount on your first order. So go to shophysio.com now and see everything that we have there. We're waiting for you there. Bye! I see you on the next video.